Tun Dr Mahathir Mohamad has accepted the invitation to attend the upcoming Umno General Assembly. The former Umno president has been on the warpath against the current president, Datuk Sri Najib Tun Razak, for more than a year and has demanded Najib's resignation over the 1MDB issue.
Saya dijemput, saya pergilah. Saya ni parti saya, bukan parti Datuk Sri Najib orang. Jadi nak exclude orang yang tak setuju dengan Datuk Sri Najib, bermakna dia sudah jadi parti Datuk Sri Najib. Tak bolehlah panggil UMNO. UMNO untuk semua orang Melayu.
Despite Mahathir's constant backlash on the party, the UMNO Supreme Council has recently decided to invite the party veteran to the assembly in December. However, the council also decided that the 3 UMNO wings would be opened by their respective heads instead of having a joint opening conventionally addressed by the party deputy president. In a departure from convention, the party number 2, Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin, is put on the spot. Speaking after the Kuala Lumpur Summit on Sunday, Dr Mahathir Mohamad says Muhyiddin has the right to address UMNO delegates as an elected deputy president.
Datuk Sri jadi presiden, lepas itu timbalan presiden. Dan Zahid bukan timbalan presiden, dia ahli majlis tertinggi biasa, ni naib presiden saja. Jadi dari segi protokol, orang nombor 2 ialah Muhyiddin Yassin. Kalau dia nak bercakap, saya harap speaker akan bagi peluang kepada dia bercakap. Kalau tidak, kita terus cakap pasal demokrasi lah. Kalau cuma nak puji Datuk Sri Najib saja baru boleh cakap, ini bukan lagi parti UMNO.
The UMNO General Assembly will be held from December 8 to December 12 in Kuala Lumpur.